in comparison for a 1993 block and a 1994 block, I'm just going to show you this. This is a 12 millimeter bolt, and this fits. It does not fit on the block. It fits on the front wheel. This is a 10 millimeter stock axle front motor mount bolt for a 93 engine. To make the 93 block work, because the other the other part of the engine that grabs onto it right here is 10 millimeter in a 1993 or pre-1994 motorcycle. So with the doweling in here, as you can see, it fits really well, and down here it fits really well. But if I left this at 12 millimeters and 12 millimeters, this would flop all over the place. Now the doweling I'm talking about is what you can see like right here. Remember that there's a dowel, a tiny stainless steel dowel like right here, and there's maybe one out right up here. If you go to Bike Bandit and you look at a 1994 engine, you'll see that they sell these dowels, I don't know, like they're $2 a piece. But you just buy one for a 94 engine, and they have a couple of them on the back too. And you take a little bit of glue and fit them in here, like those are. And what they'll do is they'll make a really nice, comfortable fit for your stock 1993 or pre-94 front axle bolt. So that's the tip of the day. Now I got to get this installed.